Dear students, good morning. Welcome to our channel English Buddy. Students, in this video, we are going to learn the first unit from ninth class English textbook. The unit is humor. Humor means the quality of being funny. In this unit, two lessons and one poem is given. All these three give us funny theme. Before going to the topic, I request you, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, share, comment and like it. I give you a brief idea over the lesson and on the writer. This is the lesson written by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. He was an Indian writer and Malayalam fiction writer. He wrote several stories and he was awarded with Padma Shri in the year 1982. He belongs to the 19th century. And again, we have to understand this is the lesson, very interesting and thrilling lesson. And in this lesson, the homeopathy doctor and his friends discuss the snakes. While discussing, one raised a question: has anybody coiled a snake, any part of your body, with a full-blooded cobra? Full-blooded means strong cobra. Now we go to the lesson. We enter the lesson. Yes, here is a face sheet given, face sheet of the lesson. Now we glance at the face sheet. What can you observe here? Yes, anybody can say simply a mirror and a monkey. The monkey was looking into the mirror and it was looking at its own reflection. Right, you are right. And here two questions are given. Now we read the questions. What would have prompted the monkey to look at its own reflection in the mirror? Have you understood the question? Or simply we can understand what made the monkey to look into the mirror. The second question is what could be the monkey thinking at this point? Have you understood this question? What could be the monkey thinking at this point? Yes, it was looking it into the mirror. This is right. But what could be the monkey thinking? Means what the monkey was thinking about. Okay. Now we enter the lesson. Yes, the lesson is the snake and the mirror. Has a snake ever coiled itself round your any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. We listened attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. Tale means a small moral story. Okay? Here, homeopathy doctor and his friends sit at a place and they were discussing the snakes. While discussing, someone questioned about the snakes. Someone questioned. What he questioned: has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? And also, it was full blooded cobra. Full blooded means a strong cobra. Okay. While questioned, all of us means all of his friends, they were silent. They became silent. And the question, who put the question? The question came from the homeopath. Homeopath means here we can understand homeopathy doctor. You know, allopathy doctor, homeopathy doctor, Ayurvedic doctor. Do you know the doctors? Yes. The topic came when we were discussing the snakes. When they were discussing the snakes, and this topic came up. Okay. And then we listened attentively. We means here who? We means the homeopathy doctor. They were listening. They listened attentively, carefully. The doctor continued the tale. Okay. It was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. The sound was a familiar one. One could say the rats and I shared the room. I took out my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. Have you understood? Students, here what it is being told? It was a hot summer night. That was the summer season. 10 o'clock at the time, night 10 o'clock, I had my meal. I means here, what does I refer to? I refers to the homeopathy doctor. Homeopathy doctor had meal, ate meal, and where did he eat his meal? Where did he has had his meal? Where did he has it meal? He had his meal at a restaurant at a small hotel, and returned to his room. When he opened, when he opened the door, he heard a noise from above. The sound was familiar. Familiar means what? Not familiar means well known. Familiar means well known. Not the strange sound, not the unknown sound. It is a familiar, well known sound. Yes, already it was known, the sound was known to him. One could say that rats and I shared the room. If anybody sees my room, if anybody sees my room, they can tell what rats and I together shared the room. They say. I took out my box of matches. The homeopathy doctor took out the match box and lighted the kerosene lamp. The lamp was on the table. In the room, in the small room, there was a kerosene lamp on the table. He lighted the lamp. The house was not electrified. Look here. The house was not electrified. It was a small rented room. I had just set up a medical practice and my earnings were meager. Meager means small in quantity. My earnings were meager means he was earning a little money. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase along with some shirts and dhotis. I also possessed one solitary black coat which I was when wearing. What is here? The house was not electrified. Have you understood this sentence? The house was not electrified. You may have a question in the passage in the section A, right? The house, why the house was not electrified? Wasn't there electricity? Or wasn't there electricity in the room or in the house or in the street? The house was not electrified means what you can understand? In the street there may be electricity, but that was the small room. In the small room, it was not electrified. It was a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. The homeopathy doctor was practicing, taking a took a small room for rent and he started a medical practice. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. He had a suitcase. In the suitcase, he had 60 rupees and some shirts and dhotis. I also possessed one solitary black coat. Solitary means single. Solitary means single. One. He had one black coat, which I was then wearing. He wore the black coat. I took off my black coat, white shirt, and not so white vest and hung them up. I opened the two windows in the room. It was an outdoor room with one wall facing the open yard. It had a tiled roof with long supporting gables that rested on the beam over the wall. There was no ceiling. There was a regular traffic of rats to and from the beam. I made my bed and pulled it close to the wall. I lay down, but I could not sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air. but the wind god seemed to have taken time off. Look here, students, have you understood? Here, I took off my black coat. I means here, the doctor, homeopathy doctor, took off. Took off means he left his coat, black coat, and hung them to the nail. I opened the two windows in the room. He opened the two windows. It was an outer room with a wall facing the open yard. The room was faced to the open yard. It had a tiled roof with a long supporting gables. Gables means like beams. Supporting gables. The gables which were at the corners. Okay, gables that rested on the beam over the wall. There was no ceiling. There was no ceiling, only with beams. There was a regular traffic of rats to and from the beam. From the beam, what happened? There was a regular traffic of the rats. Means rats roam. The rats roam over the beams. The rats go and come from the beam. I made my bed, pulled it close to the wall. He pulled his bed near to the close means near to the wall. I lay down, but I could not sleep. He laid down on the bed, but he did not get sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air. And he went out to the veranda for air, but there was no air. But the wind god seemed to have taken time off. How it was told? Look here. The wind god means the goddess of wind. Goddess of wind was not there, means it was gone somewhere. It was gone somewhere. Yes. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. Again, from the veranda, he came to the veranda. From the veranda, again he went back to his room and sat on a chair. I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book. I opened the box. He opened the box under the beneath means under the table. He took out a book, the Materia Medical means the book name, the title of the book, Materia Medical. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. Look here. I opened it means he opened the book. He opened the book at the table on the table he kept he kept the lamp. He kept the lamp and a large mirror also. On the table he kept a mirror and the lamp. A small comb lay beside the mirror. He kept a lamp and a mirror and a what is that, comb also. Okay, students, this is the lesson in this video, and in the next video, the next page of the lesson. This is the page 3. In the next video, we can learn the page 4 and as well as that. Okay, we can learn the lesson page 4. Okay, once again I request you, if you do not subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.